70% of US-based companies really understand that software is key to their hardware. You either adopt and embed software in your product or you die. And cycling is no exception.
If you have a motor, do we still need to have gears? And do we need to have assistance mode? Clearly, the answer is no, because this can be done with the motor and with the right software with AI. That means that we can use the motor and adapt the motor torque perfectly such that you don't need anymore to switch mode and to switch gears, because you don't feel the need to do that. And this is all what AI is about. It's replacing what used to be done by the rider with the software.
Ebike Future Conference 2022.